This is the video of my presentation in basic character of amines. This is gonna be a presentation on basic character of amines. In this presentation, I will talk about why are amines basic in nature, the basic strength, basicity order of alkyl amines in gas phase, non-aqueous solvents and in aqueous solvents, aryl amines versus aryl alkyl amines, and at the last, the conclusion. Let's start with why are amines basic in nature. Amines are bases according to both the Lewis and Bronsted-Lowry theories. According to the Lewis acid-base concept, amines can donate electron pair, so they are Lewis bases. As per the Bronsted-Lowry theory, bases can accept proton. Here we can see this tertiary amine accept one proton and form the tertiary amine salt. Again we know bases reacts with acid to form salt. Here we can see this tertiary amine reacts with hydrochloric acid to form this tertiary amine salt. So according to this also, amines are basic in nature. Now see the basic strength of amine. Here the primary amine reacts with water and form the alkyl ammonium salt and hydroxide ion. The equilibrium constant for this reaction is Kb is equal to product of the concentration of alkyl ammonium ion and the concentration of hydroxide ion divided by product of the concentration of the primary amine into the concentration of the water. But since the concentration of water is almost constant during the reaction, so we can write the equilibrium constant as this. This equilibrium constant is known as the basic strength of amine. Again, pKb is the negative logarithm of Kb, that is pKb is equal to minus log of Kb. So Kb, that is the basic strength of amine, is directly proportional to, and pKb is inversely proportional to basicity of amine. Now see the basicity order of alkyl amines in gas phase and non-aqueous solvent. When we replace one hydrogen by a electron donating group, the electron density increases. So it can donate the electron of lone pair more easily. Therefore the basicity also increases. But when we replace the hydrogen with a electron withdrawing group, then electron density decreases. Therefore the basicity also decreases. In case of primary, secondary and tertiary amines, in primary amines there are one alkyl group attached with it. In secondary amine there is two alkyl group, and in tertiary amine there is three alkyl group attached with it. So as the number of alkyl group increases, that is the electron donating group increases, the electron density increases. So availability of the lone pair increases. Therefore the basicity of tertiary amine is more than the basicity of secondary amine, which is more basic than the primary amine. In aqueous solvent, the basicity order of methylamines is secondary methylamine is more basic than primary methylamine, which is more basic than tertiary methylamine, and ammonia is least basic. But why amines follow this irregularity order in aqueous solvent? This is because there are some effect in aqueous solvent which is not present in non-aqueous solvent and in gas phase. One of them is steric hindrance. Due to steric hindrance, in other words, due to the presence of three bulky groups, they slow down the process of donation of electron to the electrophile. The other effect which is present in aqueous solvent is hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is a stabilization factor. Here we can see in primary amine the number of hydrogen bond with water molecule is 3. There are 2 hydrogen bond in secondary amine, and in tertiary amine the number of hydrogen bond is 1. This explains the weaker behavior of tertiary amine in aqueous solvent as compared to primary and secondary amine. Now see aryl amine versus aryl alkyl amines. Let us consider an example of aryl amine, aniline. In aniline, the electron of lone pair can delocalize through the benzene ring. But in case of aryl alkyl amine, for example, benzyl amine, the lone pair is not conjugated with the aromatic ring. Therefore, aryl alkyl amines are more basic than aryl amines. Now the conclusion is the basicity order of amines. Alkyl amines are more basic than aryl alkyl amines, which is more basic than ammonia, and aryl amines are least basic.